Meng 135th Kubelwagen. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, I'm Chris. This is Rusty Plastic, where we try and make plastic rusty. I know you're all busy voting on what I'm going to build next. All the details are at the end of this video, but for now I just wanted a really quick palette cleanser, if you like, after my last build, which was really quite complicated. So I've chosen this one. Should build up to be a really nice kit. We'll just go through the box and show you what's there. But lots of nice weathering on the box art, so I'm sure we can try and replicate some of that. This is the Type 82 Kubelwagen from Meng, based in North Africa. There's lots of sand and dust. The instructions are really nice, actually. Some nice photos. Ferdinand Porsche, who designed it, and a few sort of action shots out in the desert. Then a brief history of the vehicle. It went on to become the Volkswagen Beetle. Okay, and then it's all replicated in other languages. The instructions are really clearly laid out. There's really not that many bits to this, so we should be able to get through it really quickly. I like the way the bits you're introducing to the already built bit are a different colour, so it's really easy to see. And when you look at it like this, you don't realise how small the vehicle is. Some nice wooden duckboards there that we can do some nice wood effects on. And yeah, it should be good. I'm looking forward to this. So you start with the floor plan, and then onto that you build the engine bay, put the sides on, and the bonnet. And the rear of the shell. And the dashboard goes in, and the seats. Spare wheel on the front. 4 wheels, one on each corner. And then there are 4 rifles in there. All the lights. And that's about it. There's a handrail, steering wheel, the folded up canopy, and the doors. And then all the small accessories on the outside. And then finally the windscreen. And you can do that stood up or folded down. And then on this one, because it's a Africa Core one, it's got 2 jerry cans. One on each of the front mud guards. The painting, there are 3 different paint schemes. 2 are very similar. And then one's got a red-brown sort of camouflage on it. So as normal, I haven't decided yet which one I'm going to do. I'll probably just keep it simple on this one. So yeah, that's the instructions. Let's look in the box now. As I say, that there really aren't that many bits to this because it is so small. But they're all moulded really nicely. There's very few injection marks on there. There's the 4 nice rifles there. You can see the detail is really good. Seats, doors. That's the inside of the side panels. Yeah, so that's 1 sprue. And there's the second sprue. There are the wooden boards that go into the floor, the dashboard, the floor pan itself. So yeah, we should be able to do some nice effects on these. Some nice wear and tear. Get it looking really grimy and dirty, how I like it. And then finally the last sprue is the bonnet and the wheel hubs, the canvas cover, which looks really nice, and the jerry cans. So there you go. Yeah, look at that canvas cover, looks really good. The wheels, it comes with the balloon type tyres for the desert, and it's quite nice that the moulding marks are on the inside of the wheels, so there's no little nubs to cut off on the tread surface. And then finally the decals, mainly number plates, and you can't really see them there, but they're the unit markings and the speedo. So that's it, just a really quick video, just showing you, letting you know what I'm going to do next. As I say, hopefully we can get through it in a couple of weeks. It shouldn't take too long, and then we'll move on to the next big build, which is either going to be the Mini Art Grant Mark 1 or the Mini Art German troop carrying truck. So if you just put tank or truck down in the comments, and I'll build whichever one you want me to. Thanks again everybody, and see you soon. Bye.